You know something's wrong when Apple creates a product that fails, and I'm actually happy about it. That doesn't happen. It doesn't. And I just wanted to talk for just a minute about this because I feel like you may agree with me on this one. I'm talking about the M2 MacBook Pro. This device is still in stock. That's how you know it failed. Because I could go to my local store and just pick one up today. And that doesn't happen with Apple. I mean, the studio display, the display that everybody said was way too expensive is still multiple months delayed if you want to try to pick one up. This MacBook Pro has been in stock ever since it was released. The M2 MacBook Air just went on pre-order and it's already delayed like at least a month. Why am I happy that it's failed? Is because it's garbage. Like this computer, I've never said that about an Apple computer before. It's not a pro device. There are so many things that makes this not pro. The fact that this design is still the same as like the design back in 2016, a 6-year-old design. It still has the touch bar. It's worse than the M1 as far as the hard drive. Like they put one storage chip. The M1 had 2, which allowed it to be a lot faster. The speeds on this, like the read speeds are like half. It's bad. Like it's really bad. This computer's not pro. Like there is nothing pro about this computer. I mean, I bought the M1 MacBook Pro and I loved it. Like it was a great computer. This makes no sense. That's been like almost 2 years ago and this one's the exact same other than the fact that it has an M2 chip. And the M2 is better, of course. I mean, as a pro device, you want something that can do multiple displays. This can only do one external display. My M1 Max, which, you know, it's expensive, it can do up to like 4. The M2 MacBook Air, it can only do 1. It's understandable. It's not a pro device. It's not labeled as pro, but it has a better camera in it. It has MagSafe. It has a newer design, but they have this 13-inch Pro that's not pro. Like what does it have that MacBook Air doesn't? It has fans. And apparently fans are pro. Like I understand you need to like cool off your computer. Like as a pro, like you need fans. But fans aren't pro. Like fans should not be what makes a computer pro. Like you put fans in a computer and then you can label it as a pro level computer. No, that's not enough, Apple. This computer should not be on the market. As Apple fans, we justify a lot. We justified them taking the brick out of the phone boxes. I'm like, saves the planet. I already got 1 million bricks. I don't need another one. I'm fine with it. We justify the fact that the Apple Store never reduces its price until the new product is out. Like they just don't do it. And we justify that stuff because we're fans of Apple and we want to support them. But this is a cash grab. This thing is worthless. It's trash. And I made this video mainly just so you know not to buy this computer. Spread the word. Let everybody know that this computer is not worth buying. So maybe that Apple will take this as a learning experience and never do something like this again. Tim, why? Why would you do this? Because I can't justify this. I am the biggest Apple fanboy. I cannot justify this. Do better. Thank you. God bless.